is showtime.
Sorry.
Are we doing the question thing then? So we got Team UVify here in Las Vegas. We're just about to go to McDonald's, grab some breakfast, and we're gonna try to hit up some spots.
We don't mess around with our McDonald's.
Oh yeah, gotta get something quick. A little late now.
We'll have to use the breakfast all day menu. There's less choices. So
I'm good with pancakes.
they don't have pancakes.
Oh, damn it. Oh, is it Starbucks here? You guys want Starbucks instead?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah?
Instead.
Yes, please. Okay.
But no one had bum sex in the lower inside.
Las Vegas is a very safe place. Nothing bad happens here, so the drones are safe.
Being that change instead of fighting it, really gonna brighten the night. I'm going to hell and back by doing that. Always gonna be alright. I'm on the edge, not falling.
So we just found this epic location as we're driving to another one. As you can see behind me, whole playground full of drone fun. So we had to stop by and fly it, and it was epic. There's a lot of really cool spots happening. Alright, so we're getting close to our location. We're gonna go fly an old quarry, set up some smoke bombs, and it's gonna be fun.